Digital Media House.
HTML5 introduced layout elements for organizing the different areas of a web page. The most common layout of a web page consists of a header area, a navigation, various content sections, and a footer. It's easy to recognize which element to use for each area because of their semantic names: head, nav, section, and footer. Before HTML5, developers used div and span elements with the ID attribute to distinguish layout areas. The header element, not to be confused with the head element, outlines the visual header area of a web page where a company logo and name typically appear. The navigation element, with the tag name nav, is used for the website navigation and contains links to different web pages or other websites. The section element is used to outline different content sections of a website. The footer element is used to end the web page and usually contains information such as copyright, disclaimer, and legal details about a website.